of Mystro, 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 Mystro.
What's up, my ladies and gents? We are the Sons of Mystro featuring DJ Venomous. We need you all to get ready right now. We need you all to get up at your seats right now. We need you all to get them vocal cords ready to sing, my ladies and gents. And make some noise. You ought to wave your hands side to side like this. Wave, 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 wave. Thank you all so much, my ladies and gents. Y'all are so beautiful and wonderful.
Tonight, hey, hey, easy body giving me. Y'all like that? Make some noise. Like Joanna, Joanna. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey, Joanna, stop, Joanna.
Sons of Mystro, Mystro. Mystro, Mystro, Mystro.
Thank you so much, my ladies and gents. We are definitely not done yet. Come on.
Sons of Mystro, Mystro, Mystro.
Get 'em. Not long ago, there was two violinists who had a really good show. We go by the name of Sons of Mystro, bringing the heat like a pyro. But you know, with DJ Venomous and Creole Kid, we doing it big. Notorious, you might lose your wig. People love to hate, but they can't wait. My David Blaine is so fly. I levitate, now come on now, let's go. I say this is how we do it. Come on, hands up, y'all. I say this is how we do it. Come on, let's go. I say this is how we do it. That's right. That's right.
Oh yeah. My name's Gents. Thank you all so much for having us here today. We hope y'all are doing well. Just because we are quarantine does not mean we cannot party. That does not mean we can't have a great time. That does not mean we can spread some good vibes and love to one another. Peace out, my ladies and gents. Come on.
Sons of Mystro, 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 Sons of Mystro.